Are you looking to shed weight? Have you tried loads of diet products in the past, but still cannot shed weight or see the change that you really desired? Well, listen to this. For every individual who succeeds, it seems like 2 others don't, and many times this is because of unrealistic expectations and obsession for wonder pills that aren't as wonderful as they might have been advertised. The Nutrisystem diet plan might be the best plan for you. Nutrisystem is clearly one of the most affordable home diet delivery programs available today. However, the question is the program effective? Let's take a closer look at this diet plan. The objective of Nutrisystem diet program is to simplify weight loss. With this program, you don't have to count calories every day. Simply put, you don't have to go the extra mile to ensure you're eating proper portion sizes. This program takes the burden off of you, but you also cannot eat just anything you want to. Nutrisystem offers a 28-day program that delivers prepackaged foods. The plan consists of 3 meals and 2 snack packs daily. Total calorie count varies from 1,200 to 1,500. Your breakfast options include pancakes, oatmeal, granola, and muffins. Lunches and dinners offer selections like chicken and pasta, tacos, chili, pizza, soup, and stew. For dessert and snacks, you have the option of brownies, cookies, or cakes and fruits. Experts and certified nutritionists have found Nutrisystem to be safe, fairly easy to follow, nutritious, and moderately effective for short-term fat loss. However, it got lower marks than long-term weight loss, and also on appropriateness for people on diabetes diets or heart health. On average, Nutrisystem customers stay subscribed for 9.5 weeks, while an average dieter loses 8.3 pounds a month. Nutrisystem offers a less commitment 14-day trial, so if you've been struggling with weight loss or looking for an effective diet plan, Nutrisystem diet plan is most probably your best bet. Order now.